So I think the thing for me is that empathy is a human quality. And if we understand that empathy is really built by experiences with other people through our lives, I heard it mentioned like this: a machine has never experienced not being picked for the team. A machine has never been dumped by her boyfriend. A machine has never had an experience that they can recall to offer empathy towards someone else. And because of that, I don't think that from an empathy perspective, technology is never going to replace that.
Yeah.
But what is interesting though is that the mechanics that we can use in technology to facilitate human behavior can be used to transfer empathy. So social media and being able to chat to people, talk to people, use video conferencing allows us to be able to connect with people, understand them better, and connect in that empathetic manner. But really it's a human being on one side and a human being on the other side that's facilitating the empathy that's being transferred.